Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Foodybite's apps designs inside. Today we need to see this here the photo view. We need to develop here. So we need to click on and to open this here the full screen and zoomables and zoom in and zoom out. So we need to UI we need to develop here. How to create here. I have already find out here the one library photo view library inside the pub dev. We need to use here. Now need to go here and to first of all the C library need to look like this here the UI and to this is the provide the like here the scalings and zoom in and zoom out functionality providing for this widget. So need to directly use this here this plugins. Now we need to go first of all need to install this here. So we need to copy this here this dependency and to find out here the pub space I have already put it and to again so need to paste this here and now we need to save here and creating like this here this UI. Now we need to go here. First of all, we need to tomorrow we need to forget this here the one three image we need to put here the forget. So we need to put here. First of all, we need to copy and between here the creating pools we need to before we need to paste this here and similar to like this UI need to designs inside the show here. Need to first of all the fix this here. And now we need to create this here the click events of these buttons. We need to convert here. First of all, we need to clip or rect we need to wrap with here these widgets we need to wrap and to give this here the click inkwell and on tab events we need to write down here like here. So we need to set here and we need to configure this here. Now we need to write down here the new files and to give this here the names as I need to set this here the photo view screen dot dots like we need to write down here create here the stateful widgets and to give this here the name photo view screen and we need to import here the materials. Now need to create here the scaffold need to like here and before creating here the scaffold here so need to create here the stack childs and also need to set here the alignment we need to set here dot center not center top center like here so need to configure this here. First of all need to making this here the page view controllers builders we need to use these here. Now need to go inside the redeems and to find out here the multiple image builders we need to needs here we need to copying this here so we need to copy this container here like and we need to paste this here for this value and we need to configure here. Now first of all import this here this value and we need to give this here the container width and height so we need to provide this here context dot width need to use these color extensions and also need to give this here the height context dot height parameters need to pass here like here and we need to give this now static image we need to going this here the path we need to go inside here the assets folders inside the image and to select this here the t1 image we need to copy relative path and we need to give this here select path and to set here the const value like we need to setting here and we need to importing this here the photo views library you need to import here and also no needs here the tags we need to remove this here this value and now we need to give this here the now static we need to set this here the tents we need to show in like here the create here the containers and to give this here the exclamatory signs like here the configurations we need to set here and semicolons we need to configure this here like and no needs here the page controllers we need to comment this codes and also need to page change events we need to get here like here and to inside page name like here set here the backgrounds we need to configure this here for the background colors we need to background decorations we need to set here the decorations so give this here the color black like we need to configure this here and to save this here's const value. Now we need to save and set here the size boxed like here you need to setting here for these configurations and also need to convert here the size boxed fix this here the issue and save this here like we need to configure save here and now we need to drawing here the f bars we need to draw here need to creating here first of all the shape area we need to given this here the for this controllers we need to write down here the shape area like here. And now we need to create here the app bars. We need to draw here. Need to give this here the titles, no needs. Need to set here the only leadings. So need to configure here. Need to write down here the leading and set here the icon buttons. And on press event, so need to close this here, this screen. So need to like here the configurations. Need to context dot pop. Need to call here, and we need to give this here the icons configuration. So all needs here. Need to set here the icons, icon dot close. We need to configure here the close icons like here, and we need to give this here the colors, t color. Need to set here the white text color. So need to configure and save this here like here, and save here. Now we need to go inside here the photo screens, and we need to configure this here the context dot post, and we need to write down here semicolons, context dot, we need to write down here the photo view screen, and show this here. And now need to clicks and opening this here look like this here the UI, and we need to check here the scroll. Why not work? Maybe issue here. Go write down here the scaffold jet scaffold, set here the body, remove this here this size box. Scroll not working. I need to with this app bar close here. Now working, so need to remove this here the containers. That's after working. Create here the wrap widgets. Need to write down here the stack. Create here the child, like here. We need to configure this here this value, and we need to create here the app bar. Why not work? Maybe here not working. We need to remove this here this text. Text is issue. Fix here. Control Z. Set here the app bar. Paste this code. Write down here app bar. Create here the leading icon buttons on press event on stack pop like here screen. Need to write down here, and icons, so need to set this here. Icons dot close, and need to set here the color, color white, and set here the const value. Save this here and show like here. We need to remove this here the background colors color black like here, and look like this show working this here, this full screen UI. Like we need to configure, and this value are the showing like here the fixing this years. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're a new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.